Imagine 50,000 people cheering for your death. Welcome to Rome, 80 AD, where entertainment meant blood. You're entering the Colosseum in 80 AD. The roar hits you like thunder. 50,000 spectators packed in marble seats. You smell wine, sweat, and anticipation.
The crowd builds. Flavius, what brings you to the arena today?
My money's on the Thracian fighter, plus free bread and wine.
Business good today, wine merchant? Sold 200 amphorae.
Nothing makes Romans thirstier than watching men die.
Your husband fights today. How do you feel?
Proud and terrified. He's won 12 fights. May the gods grant him 13.
Romans,
They face the emperor's
lend me your ears. Today, we celebrate.
Brator, morituri te salutant. Steel clashes against steel. Sand turns red. The crowd screams for blood. One falls. The crowd decides his fate with thumbs up or thumbs down. The victor lives. Palm branches fall like rain. You've witnessed Rome's greatest spectacle.
The games have ended. Let's hear from the people of Rome.
My son wants to be a gladiator now. Jupiter, help us all.
Disgraceful. These gladiators lack the skill of my grandfather's era.